Assalamu alaikum. Are you fine now? Okay. Today I welcome you all another maths class. Now let us learn before, after, between. Before, after, between. Listen. Before, B E F O R E. Before, after, A F T E R. After. Next, between. B E T W E E N. Between. Before, after, between. Before, after, between. All of you take a textbook. Page number 24. Page number 24. The heading name before, after, between. Before, after, between. Look at this picture. Can you see this picture? Okay. Priya and Mini. This member's name Priya and Mini. Mini is standing before Anne. Mini is standing before Anne. Mini is standing before Anne. The next picture. Priya is standing after Anne. Priya is standing after Anne. Priya is standing after Anne. Anne is standing between Mini and Priya. 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 Before, after, between. Look at the board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Listen. 3 is after 2. 3 is after 2. 3 is after 2. 3 is before 4. 3 is before 4. 3 is before 4. 3 is after 2. 3 is after 2. 3 is before 4. Listen. 3 is in between 2 and 4. 3 is in between 2 and 4. 3 is in between 2 and 4. Listen. Four is after 3. 4 is after 3. 4 is before 5. 4 is before 5. 4 is after 3. 4 is before 5. 4 is in between 3 and 5. 4 is in between 3 and 5. 4 is in between 3 and 5. Okay. Listen. Look at this thing. Look at these colors. Red, orange, green. Red, orange, green. Red is after orange. Red is after orange. Green is before orange. Green is before orange. Green is before orange. Red is after orange. Red is after orange. Green is before orange. Green is before orange. Orange is in between red and green. Orange is in between red and green. Orange is in between red and green. Do you understand? Okay. All of you take your pencil. Listen. All of you look at this picture. Minnie is standing before Anne. Minnie is standing before Anne. Priya is standing after Anne. Priya is standing after Anne. Anne is standing between Minnie and Priya. Okay. Then next, pencil. 3 is on the left on the pencil. 5 is on the right on the pencil. Listen. 3 is before 4. 3 is before 4. 3 is before 4. 5 is after 4. 5 is after 4. Okay. Then do this work. Filling the missing numbers. Filling the missing numbers. 0 to 10. 0 to 10. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. Missing numbers. 2 is before 3. 2 is before 3. 4 is after 3. 4 is after 3. Okay. 3. Write this number. Okay. 4, 5, 6. The next number 7. 6 is before 7. 6 is before 7. The next 8. Which is missing number? 8 is before 9. 8 is before 9. 10 is after 9. 10 is after 9. Do you understand? The next numbers 0, 1, 4, 6, 8. 1 is before 2. 2 is before 4. 4 is after 3. 3 is after 2. 1 is before 2. 2 is before 3. 3 is before 4. 4 is after 3. 3 is after 2. Which is next number? Which is next number? 5. 5 is standing in between 4 and 6. 5 is standing in between 4 and 6. 6 is before 7. 6 is before 7. 7 is standing 6 and 8. 7 is standing between 6 and 8. 7 is standing in between 6 and 8. 8 is before 9. 9 is before 10. Listen. The next 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. 11 is before 12. 11 is before 12. 12 is before 13. 12 is before 13. 12 is standing in between 11 and 13. 11 and 13. 11 is before 12. 12 is before 13. 12 is before 13. 12 is in between 11 and 13. 12 is in between 11 and 13. 13 is before 14. 13 is before 14. 14 is in between 13 and 15. 13 and 15. 14 is in between 13 and 15. 15 is before 16. 15 is before 16. 16 is after 15. 16 is after 15. 16 is between in 15 and 17. 16 is between 15 and 17. 16 is in between 15 and 17. 17 is before 18. 17 is before 18. 18 is after 17. 18 is after 17. 18 is in between 17 and 19. 17 and 19. 18 is before 19. 19 is before 20. 19 is before 20. 20 is after 90. 20 is after 90. 20 is after 90. 19 is before 20. 20 is after 19. Do you understand? Yes. Then next numbers 31, 33, 36, 39. 13 is before 30. 31 is before 32. 31 is before 32. 32 is before 33. 32 is in between 31 and 33. 32 is in between 31 and 33. 33 is before 34, 35. Very good. 33 is before 34, 35. 35 is between 36. 35 is between 36. Okay. Listen. 36 is before, say, 37. 37 is before 38. 38. 38 is after 37. 38 is after 37. 37 is after 36. Write these numbers. 36 is before 37. 37 is before 38. 38 is before 39. 39 is after 38. 38 is before 40. 38 is before 40. 38 is before 40. 40 is after 39. 39 is before 40. 39 is before 40. 40 is after 39. 40 is after 39. Then next 49, 45, 47, 49. 45, 47, 49. 45 is after. 45 is after. 45 is after 44. 45 is after 44. 45 is before 46. 45 is before 46. 46 is before 47. 45 is before 46. 47 is before 46. 46 is before 47. 46 is in between 45 and 47. 46 is in between 45 and 47. The next 47 is before 49. 47 is before 49. 49 is before 50. 49 is before 50. 47 is before 48. Listen. Do this work as a homework. Do this work as a homework. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then take a next page. 26. Take a next page. 26. Write the numbers before and after. Write the numbers before and after. 34. 34 is before. 34 is before. 35. Very good. 34 is before. 35. 34 is before 35. 34 is before 35. 34 is after 33. 34 is after 33. 34 is before 35. 34 is before 35. 34 is after 33. 34 is in between 33 and 35. 34 is in between 33 and 35. 34 is before 35. 34 is after 33. The next is 70. 70. 70. 70 is after. 70 is after 69. 60. 69. 70. 70 is before. Yes, very good. 71. 71. 70 is after 69. 70 is before 71. 70 is after 69. 70 is before 71. Okay. The next is 65. 65. 65 is before. Say 66. Very good. 66. 65 is after. 65 is after 64. Very good. 64. The next number 59. 59. 59 is before 60. Very good. 59, 60. 59 is after 58. Very good. 58. 59 is before 60. 59 is after 58. 59 is in between 58 and 60. 59 is in between 58 and 60. Do you understand? Then next is 75. 75. 75 is before. 75 is before. 76. Very good. 76. 75 is after. Say 74. 74. 75 is before. 76. 75 is after 74. 75 is in between 74 and 76. 75 is in between 74 and 76. Do this work, send it to me. Today wind up our class. See you on next class.